Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamba garing to all of you. Welcome to today's class. And as you all know, guys, today we'll be discussing about easy steps to improve your confidence. Now, this is a very important topic because nowadays, what happens is, or not nowadays, I think it is a problem with the young minds. What happens is like lack of confidence. It's a very small thing. So, कि like a little thing happens in your life and you start feeling um, you start losing the motivation for doing it, or you don't feel confident about yourself. And these are the issues which we hear a lot from like all the students. And when we were students, guys, we also had the same thing, right? When all your teachers, when they were students, they also had the same thing. And sometimes we as a teacher also feel sometimes like, okay, I'm not that confident about myself. But what are the things that we as an adult know, which you should also know, that how to improve your confidence? What are the things which are required for building that confidence, and why confidence helps you, right? So as you all know, guys, Vedantu Z Fest is going on, 50% off, up to rupees 2000 you're getting. The last day is till 3rd January. So before that, definitely go and register for your courses. All right, so we'll be starting, guys. As you all know, confidence is like main thing over here is like belief in yourself, trust in yourself, that yes, you are able to face the world, right? No matter what is the situation. But in some situations you start feeling lack of it. Okay, so how to overcome that and why you should have confidence at the first place? Why you should have confidence at the first place? So first thing, benefits of the self confidence. How being confident will help you? First thing, better performance. Whatever you are doing, you will be performing better. You don't have any fear, you are more confident. All right, so you perform better because when you are confident in doing something. All right, when you are afraid of doing something, obviously there are more chances of things going wrong. But when you're confident, even something goes wrong, with your confidence you can turn it into a positive thing. All right, healthy relationships. That means you'll be able, when you're confident about yourself, you know what kind of person you are. And your relationship with your parents, your relationship with your friends, they all goes very smoothly because you know what you are, what you want, and you are very vocal about your thoughts, very very clear about your thoughts. So that's how healthy relationships, confidence helps you in maintaining healthy relationships. Then openness to try new things. When you're confident, you are okay, like, okay, let's try. What can go wrong? Right, that attitude, yes man attitude. Let's try, let's see how will I do it, how good am I at it. So you start trying new things. But when you don't have confidence, even the things which you are good at, you start losing confidence in doing that. Forget trying new things. All right, and the last thing is resilience. That means if you are doing some work, you become very much resilient, in a way that no matter how many obstacles are coming in your path, you're not going to say lose your motivation. You'll keep on working towards reaching your goal because you're more confident about yourself. You know that, no, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. So you become, as a character, you become difficult to break. That's what means being resilient means. You are difficult to break as a character. You're confident, no matter what happens, no matter what is the situation, you'll always reach to your goal. So these are the benefits of being confident. Now, what are the things, like, suppose these are the benefits, so you have to be like confident for that. Now if you're not feeling confident about yourself a lot, how to develop it? So देखो guys, first thing first, let me tell you, it all starts with faking it. It all starts with faking it. Once you start faking the confidence and keep on faking it, eventually you become confident because you know that the things which you kept in your head, like, oh, this is very difficult, when you even faked confident, you were able to do that. For example, you are afraid of public speaking. Do one thing, tell yourself then, no, you will be able to do it, and give a speech in front of your assembly, school assembly, or in front of your class. And you'll be like, "Ki, it's not that difficult what you were thinking." So once you get this thing in your head, start getting this thing in your head, "Nahi, nahi yaar, it is not that difficult the way I was thinking." It boosts your confidence, and the fake confidence start converting into real confidence. All right, okay. So You need to start faking it. That's on your part. What other things will be required, and eventually it will become your true self confidence. The other things which you can do is stop comparing yourself to others. Be inspired from others, but don't be like, here we are, I can never be there. I cannot. I'm not as good as him. I'm not as smart as him. I'm not as hardworking as him. Don't do this to yourself. Okay, you are special in your own way. Understand yourself. Realize yourself. So to increase confidence, one is faking confidence. The second thing is also, don't compare yourself to others. Know yourself. What you are. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Work on your weaknesses. Improve as an individual. Do not think that where others are, just see where you are right now and improve day by day. If you'll just focus on yourself and your own improvement, you'll feel confident rather than comparing yourself with others. Second, surround yourself with positive people. It's a really important thing, guys. Your company matters a lot. In which company, or your friends, whether they are motivating you or whether they'll be like, yeah, chhod what you are studying, you will not become Elon Musk with studying or something like that. Okay, so if these kind of friends you are, that means they are not your friends. They are just there to have fun and like make you lose in your focus. So those friends which be like, "Hey, have you read for the test, uh, or if you want I can teach you, or is there in doubt?" Where, like, with your friends then you can be vulnerable. All right, I am open with my friends. I can talk about my weakness with my friends as well without thinking that whether what they are going to think of me, because those kind of friends I have. So make those kind of friends. Don't make friends just because you know someone. Make those friends with whom on upon whom you believe a lot, and your belief system must be there. So if you have those kind of friends who support each other, who inspire each other, definitely your company where with you are, your surrounding, if it is with positive, filled with positive people, your your parents, your siblings, if they are motivating you, your parents will always be motivating you. So in this kind of company, if you are, definitely you will feel more confident about yourself rather than those who will be criticizing you, or I'll say for some point criticism is also fine, but like over criticism, if someone is doing he, oh, you are wrong, you are wrong, you are wrong, so that is definitely going to affect you. So stop listening to those comments. Okay, practice positive self-talk. Yeah, before the world start talking good about you, start talking you should start talking good about yourself. Before the world knows how good you are, you should know first that how good you are. So start talking to yourself and, like, be a friend of yours. How you would care about your bestest friend, that way key, care about yourself. Let, like, ask yourself, if you're not feeling good, ask yourself what is happening, why you're not feeling good. If you are feeling your mood is off, ask yourself why mood is off, how you can make it better. um, Tell yourself that no, yeah, you are doing really good. If this way you'll be working, you'll definitely reach your goal. You have to study. Tell yourself, no, yeah, I don't want to go for the mobile phone right now, I have to study. Keep talking to yourself, and I'll be the topper. These are the things which you can talk to yourself before the world start talking good about you. All right, face your fears, very important. Make sure that whatever fear you have in your mind, and if you have an opportunity where you have to face it, do it. Once it will be say difficult for you, but once you face it, you will not no longer have that fear. ठीक है. So it's really important thing. We as an adult also, sometimes we are afraid of something. So that's the good best thing to get rid of your fears. Face it. Okay, and it's a very brave thing to do. So that will definitely add to your confidence because you are very brave. All right, take care of your body. No matter any session if I'll take regarding this, first thing first, guys, body, healthy body. After that comes anything else. Before anything comes your body. A healthy body is like the first happiness, है ना? All right, so take care of your body, guys. Be healthy, है ना? And automatically when your mind is healthy, when you are looking, when you are filled with positive people, you are talking good to yourself, you'll automatically feel confident. All right, so this is all, guys. Remember, I have told you, Vedantu Edfest is going on. You are getting say 50% off up to rupees 2000 off. 50% off up to rupees 2000 by using GPE Pro. So definitely go for it. All right, ठीक है. So CBSE term 2 courses you can see. Or one more thing guys, you can apply, you can say try, use the try period as well. Try it for 15 days, see if it works for you. You can join back again for the full courses, right? So this is all guys in today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session. I'll see you all in the next class. Please don't forget to like before you leave, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification for all these classes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the session. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys.